How to use the GITANK Bluetooth adapter in an Infiniti. Locate the port inside the central armrest box. Plug the GITANK device into the USB port. Now go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Select GITANK-200A. Your GITANK is now fully connected. Open any music app to start playing music. Song information displayed on the car screen. To skip a track, you can use either the controls on the steering wheel or the center console button.
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you.